Hey, everyone. It's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures. You see this famous diamond? Look what I got. This big, beautiful, bold box from ArtDot. That's right. What is in this box? We are going to open it up because right now, 50% off. Run while you can. If you're seeing this down the road, still run because their sales go on all the time. Also, check out the link down below, DPA. You'll get an extra percentage off if you use that code. You got to run. You got to run. So what did I get? What did I get? We are going to turn this around and have a sneaky peek. A sneaky peek. This is storage. Oh my gosh, this is the deluxe version of storage. Okay, I have a 2-drawer system of this. If you want to see me unbox a video of this 2-drawer system, absolutely in love with it. And I had to get the 4-drawer. Absolutely. So it does come with these little stickers. I love you, ArtDot, but I'm so glad they came up with their own DMC color-coded stickers. So I don't use these. You could use these for other ways. Look. It's a little funnel that you can use. It also neatly folds up so you can store it away. Here's that little tray lid, which I'm actually going to do a Tipsy Tuesday on. You're going to love it. Okay. So it's all together, no assembly required. Now I have it upside down. Don't panic. We're going to flip this over. Well, that's cute. On the top of each of the lids so that these don't fall out all over the place. You got your own little cardboard art dots. Then you can do your own video like me. Art dot. Okay, so what I love, all of these come in every drawer. OMG. Okay, so here we go. Let me turn this around. 4 drawers of beauty. Now, you're going to have, what I like to use these for are my specials. Now, some people, what they'll do is they will kit up their diamond paintings with this. This is also good for bead storage. If you do needlepoint, if you do jewelry making, different things like that. I do diamond painting, which is probably how you found my channel. So these are glass. Let me see here. Beautiful colors. And put them in here. And then, oh my gosh, see, this is why I needed more storage, because I have all of these and I had run out of storage. These are all specials. And I have this whole thing full that I need to put away. Now I want to show you, this is how I do. I actually go over to my friends and they have, I'm going to show you here, they have created a 3D tray that goes in the bottom of your drawer. And this tray helps organize all of your ArtDot. So where my normal tray has trouble going in and out because these guys like to party in here, look how smooth that is. so they all take up the negative space how they're supposed to. And then you don't have to worry about in and out. So I get one of those. Now, ArtDot also has their own DMC stickers. So you can get those, put them on top of your specials. Now, the reason I don't have stickers on every single one is because the specials I buy take up 2 of the jars. And it's not because the jars don't fit a bunch. It's because who I buy from gives you a lot for your money. And so I know that these 2 jars right here, wait, how's my finger? Wait, these 2 jars right here are the same color. It's my own color coding system. Don't judge. But look how pretty that is when you have it there in your drawer. And then here's my metallics. They're all lined up so pretty. Again, here's the 2 of the same color, 2 of the same color. Look how pretty that is. They're all metallics lined up in the drawer. These are all my, the pixie dust, fairy dust lined up in the drawer. So pretty. Yes. So I am dying to use this. You need to run over. They come in a 2, a 3, and a 4. What I love about the 4 is they fit really comfortably in the cubes. So you see my cubes back here. And so I have a 2 drawer and I have something here. So I'm going to put a 4 drawer in here. Super excited. Now, what do I do with this? Because this, with this on top, does not fit in the cubby. And you think, oh, well, what am I going to do with this? This is divine for collecting your specials and using it for your diamond painting. So when you have your specials here, you kind of do your own little shopping. Maybe you have some other things here. Maybe you have certain ABs. Maybe you have, don't tell ArtDot. Maybe you have other storage here. Maybe you want your pens that you use because you have certain colors you use. Maybe you have your tweezers you use, your putty or your cover minders that you use. Maybe you have, like your putty. Your putty can go here. Maybe you have your mints because you love your mints that goes in here. Maybe you have the tray that you use can go in here. So what I love, which I'm going to show you further, and how to really set up for your next project so that you match and you feel like you've taken your diamond painting to the next level, is this is perfect with the different type of storage in here to elevate your diamond painting experience. Because then when you're ready to pick up and you're done, put everything in this tray and you just put this tray to the side, and this has all the colors and everything that you need for what you're working on. The color pen that matches the project you're on, the putty that or the wax that you're using, all of the special drills that you're using, everything that you need, the trays that you're using that you've matched so that you have a fun experience. So I'm going to do a video to show you exactly how much fun you can have with this little top that goes on here. If you don't want to keep it here, or if you have the space, I have this little 4x4 space. You might have an amazing space and you can keep it right up here away from cats and dogs and little hands. But if you don't and you need to keep this actually on your desk, this is a great tray for that. So we're going to dive into another video. However, go grab this. They're currently having a 50% off sale. Also use DPA. It'll get you extra percentage off. ArtDot, run while you still can.